Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Quest employee account. To do so, just follow the steps that I will show you on this video, and then you can easily log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up a Google browser and then go into your search bar and just type for Quest employee login. After you do so, many results will be on your screen. Click on the first link that says Quest Diagnostic Employee Portal. And this will take you to a different site, and here you can see that on the right hand side under the employee section or enter button, tap on enter and it will take you to a different page where now you can input your credentials to log into your account. Here, just input your username and password and then hit on sign in, and then you'll be signed in into your employee account. And that's how you can sign in into your Quest employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.